how to fix TikTok internet problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok internet problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to this one here, mobile network, and go to data usage and disable this one, smart data saver. Maybe you will find it like that and disable it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to apps and then apps again and go to TikTok, and now go to data usage and enable all of those here: mobile data, Wi-Fi, background and background data. And that's it. And then go to storage, clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go back here, go to clear data and click OK, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.